So let's take a first overview look of iBooks Author. iBooks Author works with templates, and it comes with a few built-in ones. And since it was originally created for school textbooks, most of the templates are landscape templates with portrait mode. However, in version 2.0, they've added portrait-only templates, and those are the most common to use in sort of regular book format. Of course, you don't have to. It depends on the type of book you're creating. In the main interface that lets you start with choosing a template, you can select one of the templates and click choose to open it up and get started. You can also open recent books you've been working with, or open the Finder window and find a file you saved. So let's choose one of the templates and take a look at the main interface. The main interface is built out of three areas: the header, the sidebar, and the main content area. The sidebar is where you define some of the content, like the individual pages, chapters, sections, the book title. You can add introductory media, you define the table of contents, and you can add glossary items. We'll get to those in future videos. The main area is where you see how the book looks, how the text is laid out, how the content is arranged, and where you can edit and revise items. And the header area is where you have access to all the settings, widgets, items, and functions. Now, if you've used almost any of the other Apple iWorks applications, you'll find this interface very familiar and very easy to use. A lot of it is based on the same interface, same functions, and same ability to edit and revise content. And this makes it a lot easier. Of course, Apple released new versions of Pages, Keynote, and Numbers, so things are a little bit different in the new versions, but if you've ever used any of them, this will be very, very familiar and very easy to work with. So let's move ahead and we'll dig in further into the structure of books in iBooks.